Magandang umaga, mga bata. Ako, ang inyong guro sa baitang 5. Halina at ating alamin, tukuyin at isabuhay ang ating tatalakayin ngayon sa subject na matematika. Magsihanda na kayo, mga bata, dahil ang ating asignatura ngayon ay Mathematics 5. Ako, si Ariel Jr. Ispela, ang inyong guro ngayon upang turuan kayo tungkol sa topic na base, rate, and the percentage. Ito ay makikita sa quarter 3 ng week 2 and week 3 ng ating module. Pero bago ang lahat, disclaimer muna. Ating pong basahin ang naka-flash sa ating screen. The video may contain copyrighted materials, the use of which has not been specifically authorized by the copyright holders. This video is for general information and not for non-profitable educational purposes. And now, let's proceed to our objectives. First, defines the rate, base, and the percentage. Second, identifies the base, rate, and the percentage. And the third one is apply the concept of the topic in a real-life situation. But before we proceed to our topic, let's have some sort of review from our previous lesson. Last topic, we discussed all about the relationship of the fraction, decimal, and the ratio. So let's have an example. The first one is 1/4. So how do we convert it into decimal? Divide the 1 into 4. So the answer will be 0.25, of course. And if we convert it into ratio, the answer will be 25:100. Next, given as 0.75, when we convert it is 3/4, and 75:100, while the ratio given 40:100 when we convert into fraction is 2/5, and convert it into decimal will be 0.4. Very good. Okay, the first one will be the rate. So what is rate? So the rate is the percent of the whole. It has the percent symbol 10. So examples of that can be seen in a number is 30%, 50%, 75%, and 13%. Let's have an example. Word problem example. Number 1. A 20% or 4,600 is the down payment for a brand new TV set. The original price of the TV set is 23,000. The question is, what will be the rate in our given problem? Okay, very good. The rate in the given situation is 20%. Why? Because in the given situation, kitang-kita naman na yung ating percent sign is nasa 20. Next, the second one will be the base. So what is base? So the base is the whole where we're talking about. It is written after the word of or the phrase percent of. Madali natin ma-determine ang base. Examples. So 100 pesos is 4% of 2,500. Do you think 100 is our base? No. How about 4%? No again. So, meaning to say, from the 3, natira lang natin is 2,500. So, the base here is 2,500 since it is the whole and written after the word of. Next, so 7 of the 35 boys in the class wear eyeglasses. 20% of the boys wear eyeglasses. So which is the base? Okay, very good. So the base here is 35 since it is the whole and written after the word of. Do you have any questions, clarifications? Okay, if none, let's proceed to the third one, which is the percentage. So the percentage is the portion of the whole based on the rate. is usually followed by the word is. So most commonly, percentage is mas mababa siya kesa sa ating base. So, a percentage is another way of expressing a fraction or a part of a whole. The word percentage actually means per 100 kasi nga percent. And then we can find the value of percentage by multiplying the rate and the base. Let's have some examples. Number 1, 10% of 60 is equivalent to 6. So what do you think will be our percentage? Very good. So 6 is the percentage in the given example since 0.1 times 60 is equivalent to 6. So, sir, paano naging 0.1 yun? Okay, if we convert or multiply, so yung 10% is equivalent to 0.1. Lagi natin siyang i-convert sa decimal form para matanggal yung ating percent sign. Carlo invests 750,000 at 6% simple interest in a year. So, his interest is 48,750. So, what do you think will be our percentage? Very good. Our percentage is 448,750 pesos. And okay, now let's proceed to the formulation of our base rate and the percentage. So we can get or find the value of the given problem using the Tehans triangle. So what is Tehans triangle? So Tehans triangle is commonly used by the business mathematician to formulate or find the rate, base, and the percentage in a given problem. Example, so if the given percentage is 2 and the given rate is 20%, so do you think what will be the value of our base using our Tehans triangle? Very good. So the value of our base is 10. Going back to our objectives, we are done in defining the rate, base, and the percentage. Also, we are done identifying the base, rate, and the percentage. And we are done also in applying the concept of the topic in a real-life situation. Now that we are done in our objectives of the day, so let's have some assessment. How far did you know or kung gaano karami ang natutunan nyo dito sa ating talakayan? Number 1, when one finds what percent of one number is of another, we looks for the blank. A, base, B, rate, C, percentage, or D, ratio. Sige, sagutan nyo muna po yan sa inyong mga papel at mamaya natin malalaman ang sagot. Number 2, so finding a number when a percent of it is known means solving for the blank. A, base, B, proportion, C, percentage, or D, ratio. You're done answering number 1 and number 2. Let's proceed to number 3. So 16 is 25% of 64. The percentage in the given problem is blank. A, 16, B, 64, C, 25%, or D, 41. Choose the best answer. Number 4. 2 of the 50 pieces of tomatoes in the basket are rotten. This is 4% of all the tomatoes in the basket. Which is the rate? A, 50, B, 4%, C, 2, or D, 48. last but not the least, 7 of the 35 boys in the class wear eyeglasses. 20% of the boys wear eyeglasses, which is the base. A. 20%, B. 7, C. 35, or D. 40. If you're done answering our assessment, so let's check now. So this will be the correct answer from 1 to 5. If your answer is correct, then you may check it, and if it's wrong, so you may find out why it is wrong. Okay, if you're done, so I have prepared here a home activity wherein you can answer it in your room, in your house, enable for you to enhance your skills and finding and identifying the rate, base, and the percentage, because later on in our next topic, so we will have a solving naman. So I have a 5 items for your home activity. I hope that you will answer all correctly since we are done in our discussion. For now, so I also preparing for another topic in mathematics wherein we are able to solve the rate, the base, and the percentage in a given problem. So, thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig, sa panonood, sa pag-aksaya ng inyong data, sa inyong oras. So, ako po muli ang inyong guro sa Baitang 5, si Ariel Junior Espela.